in here, how many of you have your assets in your name individually? So really, God bless you. So really, really important. So really important takeaway. The rule is if there's any asset in your name individually, whether it be your home, your bank accounts, and so forth, if you become disabled or pass on, those assets are going off to the probate court. Okay? They're going to go up to the probate court. So if you're looking to avoid probate court, you have to take action and do something and either get that asset in the trust. Some other folks will say, Patrick, I'll put one of my children on it. Can I do that? The answer is yes, but it's not the best, right? What are some of the inherent problems with putting children on your bank accounts? Even if they're trusted children. You know, what was it? They can get into an automobile accident, right? They can get divorced, right? They can get sued. And they're half owner now of what? Your money. So how much of your money is up for grabs? Half of it, right? At least half of it. So not the best. It's double-edged sword. Yeah, you might avoid probate, but then if something unpleasant happens, times of turmoil to your loved one, then it's exposing and putting your assets at risk. What's a better way of doing it, folks? Creating your trust, okay? Creating your trust in step one, and then what do you want to do, what we do with Joe up here? Step two is, yes, trust funding. Get your stuff in your trust, okay? Really, that's a critical part of it. That's where all the magic happens. You can create a trust all day, all night, still going off the probate court. Have to get your assets into your trust funding. Is that clear? Yes.
So we have to say basically your, like say your checking account has to be changed to,
Yes,
Kelleher
retitle
trust?
your, what's your first name?
Kathy.
Kathy, thank you. Kathy's bank account, retitle to Kathy as trustee of Kathy's revocable living trust. Yep.
And if it's an irrevocable?
Irrevocable is a little bit different. You have to give up control and authority on the irrevocable trust, so you may not want to park your cash in there. Revocable, you have control and authority and flexibility. You manage it just like your regular cash. Irrevocable will give you protection from the nursing home after 5 years, but you give up control and authority. So you don't want to paint yourself into the corner by parking cash in an irrevocable trust if you need access to that cash. What makes a good clean asset to put in an irrevocable Medicaid trust if it's not cash? What do we live in? Your home. Yeah, your primary home, preferably without a mortgage. A lot of the clients do it that way when they have no mortgage, a lot of equity in the home, 300,000, 400,000, 500,000 plus equity in the home, big asset. They want to keep it in the family bloodline. They want to protect it. It makes a nice clean asset to get in that treasure chest. You got a $400,000 or $500,000 house, no mortgage, been in the family 40 years, don't want to lose it. That's what my mom did. Got the house in her Medicaid treasure chest. She recently turned 86 years young, and her house is protected now from the nursing home. Wasn't that way when my dad went to the nursing home.